Got that chicken. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right, all right. Got us some wings. You live in the suburbs, right? You know you want to go to the town over, or to the city, go into, the areas they a little sketch, right? But man, they be having some bomb wings or some bomb burgers or whatever. And you like, man, I'm willing to take that trip over there. Whatever. They always be having some bomb sauces on their wings or they catfish or they perch. Boy, I'm gonna show you how to do that at your own house and still stay in the suburbs and safe. Well, first of all, y'all gotta clean them wings. Clean them with vinegar. That usually make my wings like next level. Every time I clean them with vinegar and of course salt brine. So I got me some whole wings, hood style. This is how you gonna get them when you go to the hood. It gonna be whole, ain't that, baby?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just like that. They gonna leave the tip on that and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Whole wings and some barbecue sauce I made for my pulled pork pizza. And man, that sauce was
God.
like crazy.
Yes.
And I said, you know what? I'm gonna put them on these wings and see how they come out. And I'm gonna share it with my peoples. Y'all keep me going, so I gotta share it with y'all. I'm an old man, give me something to do, keep me busy. As my mom and grandma used to say, you need to keep your mind occupied. So I'm gonna do a dry brown. We're gonna use some celery salt. Y'all know how we do. We like to just switch it up every time. Which probably ain't good if you're trying to, open up a restaurant, because you need to have a consistent flavor. I like to keep playing around until something, just go like, oh, wow, you gotta do that again,
Mm-hmm.
And some things I have done like that sauce, man, I made it the boss.
Yes.
Celery sauce smell kind of like next level, don't it, baby?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does.
Set these up, let them hang out so they can air out. All right, just like that. We're just gonna let them hang out in the refrigerator about 24 hours. And that's that. Took these bad boys out the fridge, nice and brown. Get the little custom no salt seasoning rub on them. We can go heavy because we don't have any salt in it. Nice savory seasoning I came up with. I hope I remember what I did, so I can put it in the description box. Oh yeah. The tip, gnaw on that tip. Have it seasoned up. Just have for the barrel, right? Make it look good before we even get started. Look how that seasoned. Now let me go ahead and tuck these up under here. We're gonna get our little station. And my breading seasoned. Yeah. Put some of this little crispy secret weapon in there. Some baking powder, y'all. Just a little bit. Dip it on up in the egg. Oh. All right. Get nice and coated. That crazy, y'all. We inside today.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry though. I'm gonna find a reason to get outside tomorrow. That's how you be seeing the chicken man. He be up in the restaurant in the back. That chef, he be like, he going. First thing you want to do is want to check where we at. So we had a good frying temperature. What, 366?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're taking it slow. You see, we don't even have this. We only have this high. I got this like on pretty low, like on 2. So that way, you know, ain't nothing gonna scorch. You know, it's gonna take its time. Go ahead, throw 2 in there at a time. Put this away from you. See that? Nice and smooth. And that's why you don't want to have your temperature screaming. Keep it low. Let it come on up to temp. I'll check on it in about, 10, 11 minutes. Make sure it's crispy, baby. Have these in here for about 15 minutes. I'll take them out with the spider here. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. We're going to do several more batches right at 15 minutes. You said we got the fire kind of low. We don't want to scorch the chicken. We want it to come out nice and beautiful. That's batch number 1. I'll see y'all once we finish with everything. And we're going to plate up. Y'all know how we get down. Yeah. I'm ready to eat now. Yeah, what we got, baby?
Ooh-wee.
Got that chicken. Wanna taste it a piece. She didn't want to wait. I don't blame her though. No.
It's too good.
Camera lady sitting back there watching the food. Watch me throw down.
Yeah, we gotta make this quick.
Nice, big old juicy. Shoot. Look at that. Jumbo. Uh-oh, I'm about to hit it with my custom sauce.
Ow.
This is like a custom mild sauce. You go on in.
I'm ready.
Oh, man. It's crunchy and tender at the same time. I'm not born so easy. That natural seasoning. Yeah, I gotta try this. My mouth is. Oh man, this is so good. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. And like, share, subscribe, comment. Catch y'all on the next one. We do something good.